Take a look at that, the background of that picture right there. We got actually a door that caught on fire. So, these wonderful people over here, along with our guys from Newkirk Electric, we're actually fixing our problem here. Let's take a little tour inside. So, first of all, I wanted to show you what we did here. We actually cut this door in half. So if you can't do it, I can do it. So this is one door. Our boy Dale up there, he's working on getting the operator hooked up, which is maybe not the ideal way to do it, but this is how we're gonna roll. So basically what we did is we eliminated 2 springs which pick up this half of the door, and we're utilizing these 2 springs to pick up the other half of the door. We actually took our end plates off from this side, the damaged side, which got all burnt, put it over here, put our track, and voila, we got a functioning door. So pretty sweet. Took us about, I don't know, how long you think it took us, Dale? About 6 hours to do it? So it took us about 6 hours. Worked hard at it. Dale's been doing an awesome job. So, yeah. So Dave and Dale with Affordable Door and Gate. Bunch of rock stars here. We can do it. So, hope you guys learned something. Have a great day, great night, great New Year's, Christmas, all that good stuff. We'll see ya.